Alright, so until I don't think I'm making this shit video, and also that's because I'm making my first cook video. Also, that's my sister over here.
Hey.
Okay, so yeah, that's this fucking special guest. So also, I'm making my favorite salad, just cucumbers, garlic, lemon, salt, and lemon. And my favorite one is olive oil. Alright. So it was just cutting my shit over here, and damn, I think it's a bit too hard, but I don't even. Oh, never mind.
You're using 3 onions. Hardcore. Okay, I'm always gonna use 5, but I changed.
Oh, shut the hell up, man. Okay.
Cucumbers.
Alright, shut the hell up. Okay. Alright, so I need to cut these. I said shut the hell up. Okay.
No.
Okay. So I'm just gonna cut these. Why is this? See this? I'm looking in right now. Not because I'm absolutely cooked. The hell? Okay.
You just learn me how to do it.
Alright.
Like this. You're gonna
Oh, shut up.
do it.
Oh. How am I just doing? Come on, man. Right.
Imagine using this.
Oh, shut the hell up.
Move it!
Yeah, I said. Oh, like this. I can read this way. Oh, hell no. I'm absolutely gonna get hooked if I was gonna make this. Alright.
Yeah! It worked!
Alright, so shut up. Okay, I need to make it.
It doesn't work. Look at this.
Oh, go. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this salt. Use a knife. I'll cut some garlic to put this thing away. So.
Oh my freaking god.
Shut the fuck up, alright? Alright, so I'm just gonna. Here, just cut it like this. And I'm gonna. Boom. Okay, just put this one. Right.
Eat this.
Yeah, alright. Tomorrow, I know the thing that. Yeah, so. Oh. So right here. One, two. I just make my first cooking video. Alright. It was just making my favorite salad. That's because I don't want to be like cooking with Kian because I don't make lots of. Because I'm not good at cooking, especially myself, okay? I'm not gonna like.
Look at this.
If I was different, okay. Just don't mind me when I'm speaking Arabic. If I cut like this, I'll be like Chef Fresh for you. Or I'm feeling like Gordon Ramsay.
Gordon Ramsay. He sees this, he's gonna say.
Oh, shut the hell up, you
what?
fucking know that. Alright?
Like this.
Alright, shut up. Okay. So now, well, I think it's done. Oh.
There's a thing called a spoon.
Once it's done, I need to put some lavender here. So this is absolutely my favorite one I'm gonna put. Alright. So
yogurt. AKA as known as.
Okay. Or like yogurt. Well, it's absolutely lemon. I'm always my favorite one, but yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna close it up and put my first one. Wow. But we need to put. I need to put more. Put more of this. And that's it. That's it. Right.
You need to bring a bigger bowl.
So I need to mix it. Okay, I need to mix it right now. And my favorite thing is to mix it with this spoon. Right here. Yeah.
Open.
Okay. Yeah. Then. Good. Now I have to do. First, I'll put some salt right here. And Don't worry what I'm doing with the salt, okay? Here. Looks like a moon.
Maybe it calls in English like deal. Or
Oh, shut up, okay? So, and now, and last but not least, olive oil. Alright, drizzle it for a bit. And look at that. Alright, let's mix it all it up.
What the?
What the hell do you mean by that? Okay. So,
What the?
I'm gonna shut up, okay? Alright, so I don't think about it. That's why I'm always gonna make this shit, alright? So, I know. So,
Let me just taste.
okay.
How not like this? With a regular spoon.
Yeah, let's swipe lemon. I don't think it's like that. Okay, so, okay.
Wait a sec.
What?
Put some.
Why? Need more stuff?
Not a lot.
Alright.
Stop.
Alright, now I think it's like this. And a little bit of olive oil. Right here. Okay, so just mix it all up. Put this oil away. What the hell? Okay.
Is he?
Alright. What's good? Alright, so. Okay.
One more cucumber.
That was the final result. Look at this. I meant this by myself. It's the easiest one. It's only needed.
5 ingredients.
Oh yeah, 5 ingredients.
No need to count.
Okay. Alright, so let's look. See how it tastes like here? Damn! That's so good, obviously. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing.